Hello everyone, and welcome to my very first mukbang. I know there's a debate about ways to say that word, but I'm not even gonna get into it because I'm just a white girl from South Carolina. I have no authority on the topic. Ooh, she's steamy. I do, however, really wish I had chopsticks. That would make this whole experience way more enjoyable. You know what I mean? I need to stop saying that. I keep saying it in videos. I think it's like a nervous tick. You know what I mean? I'm so quirky and relatable. That was too hot. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm not sure exactly what I'm supposed to be talking about during this, so I'm just gonna talk about whatever I want. So, cheers to that. I really wish I had chopsticks. No, I don't. I lied. Because that would make eating this like way harder and way more time consuming. And I'm just hungry, so I just want to shovel it all in. My mouth hole. So the date is May 9th. And the reason I'm telling you that is because it snowed in Colorado today. And I don't really understand that. People say you can experience all 4 seasons in a day in Colorado. And I believe it. Because today is Thursday. And they said it's already going to be back in the 70s by Saturday. Which is crazy. I don't understand the atmosphere. I definitely did the right thing by not going to meteorology school. I don't know if you can hear that, but there are 3 dogs. Please tell me you can hear that. It breaks my heart every single day. My gosh. There are 3 dogs that live above me, and they howl all freaking day. First of all, in my opinion, I live in a 1-bedroom apartment, and I'm pretty sure the upstairs people above me, it must also be a 1-bedroom, I think. I don't think you should have 3 dogs in a 1-bedroom apartment. I don't think that's a responsible thing to do. They need more space than that. They need to go outside. I imagine these people work and they can't be home all day to tend to their dogs or walk them 24/7. And to leave them upstairs in an apartment all day just makes me sad. You know? I'm gonna have to refill my water. Fun fact, I drink a lot of water when I eat. These are so good. I went for a very long time without making zucchini noodles, and then I just decided to try them again. Oh my gosh, they're so good. Also, if you know how to make this autofocus on the stupid ass camera stop autofocusing, please let me know. I've tried and I've tried. Oh, and I've tried autofocus nonstop. It drives me insane when I'm editing, and I'm sure it drives you insane too. So, on behalf of my camera, I sincerely apologize. Hell yeah. I just deep-throated that motherfucker. I need more water. Anybody else like slightly burning their food? Gives it more spice, you know? And it makes cleaning the pan so much more enjoyable. be right back. I need water. I know most people don't do a lot of cuts in their mukbangs, but I'm not funny if I don't do cuts, so I'll probably be doing cuts. Sorry. That vegan life, you know what I mean? I said it again. I don't say that phrase in real life either. I just say it on camera to fill empty space. I'm not going to say it again for the rest of this video. I promise you. I hope I don't break that promise. It shouldn't be too difficult, seeing as I have like 4 bites left. 1. And let me know if you want me to do more mukbangs. This was kind of fun. I definitely enjoy talking to myself. No surprise there. I do talk to myself in my head 24/7, so it makes sense that I like to talk to myself out loud too. So, sorry, I should be looking at the camera more. Hey. Drink up, ladies and gents. Oh, Done. Hell yeah. I hope you enjoyed my little mini mukbang. If you did, smash that motherfucking like button, baby. And I'll see you next time. Oh, what, you thought the video was over? No. We're gonna clean dishes together too. I'm just kidding, we're not gonna do that. That would be no fun. For you.
Oh.
Okay, I'm actually gonna leave now. I just wanted to say hi to the camera one more time. But I'm done with that, so bye friends. Bye friends.